Chapter 2: Desktop Management in Windows 10. Topics covered: Features of Windows 10, the taskbar, customizing the taskbar, customizing the desktop, customizing the Windows setup. Features of Windows 10. Let us learn some interesting and useful features of Windows 10. Improved user interface. It has very attractive user interface and consists of many colorful themes. Improved multitasking. A new multiple desktops feature lets us run another set of windows as if on another screen, but without the physical monitor. Instead of having multiple windows open on top of each other on one desktop, we can set up a whole other virtual desktop for those programs to reside in. Start menu. Windows 10 Start menu blends elements of its Windows 7 predecessor with Windows 8 Live Tiles interface. The Start menu design contains some familiar elements, including links to common locations, a list of frequently used apps and programs, and power controls. A separate option, called Tablet Mode, also expands the Start screen and is especially designed to make Windows 10 more usable on tablets and hybrid PCs. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the default browser of Windows, thus that has replaced Internet Explorer in the older versions of Windows. It is faster, more secure, and has a lot of new features. It is designed to be a lightweight web browser with a layout engine built around web standards. Cortana. Cortana is the personal digital assistant in Windows, thus whom we can talk to or ask questions from, like how is the weather now in Mumbai, or search for a particular application on computer or on the internet. We can ask anything from Cortana and it will provide the answer accordingly. We can directly type question in the search box next to the Start button on the taskbar. The taskbar. The long bar present at the bottom of the desktop is known as the taskbar. It contains the Start button, the Type Here to search box, quick launch icons, the notification area, a system clock, and the Show Desktop button. It also displays pinned, minimized, and currently running programs. Now, let us discuss the parts of the taskbar in detail. Start button. The Start button is present on the extreme left of the taskbar. When we click the Start button, the Start menu appears. It allows us to open programs in our computer and shut down, log off, restart, or sleep the computer. We can open the Start menu directly by pressing the Windows logo key on the keyboard. Type Here to search. This text box is present next to the Start button. It allows us to search for any application on our computer. It also allows us to search for any information from the internet. Task View button. We can click the Task View button on the taskbar to see all of our running apps and programs. Quick launch icons. These icons are present next to the Task View button. They represent the programs that can be opened or launched with a single click. The taskbar also shows the icons for the programs that are currently open. Notification area. This area consists of a group of icons that shows the status of certain system programs or computer settings. It also displays current system time and date. It also displays some other icons such as the network icon, volume control icon, and new system notifications, if any. Customizing the taskbar. We can make changes to the appearance, location, or settings of the taskbar. To do so, right-click on the taskbar and select the Taskbar Settings option. This displays the Taskbar Settings window. We will set the following options in the window. Lock the taskbar. This option locks/unlocks the position of the taskbar. If it is on, it means the taskbar is locked and you cannot move it to any other position on the screen. Automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop mode. This option makes the taskbar hide itself when not in use. Use small taskbar buttons. This option reduces the size of the taskbar and the icons present on it. Use peek to preview the desktop. This option is used to set the peek feature on. This will allow you to preview the desktop when you move your mouse to the Show Desktop button at the extreme right of the taskbar. Taskbar location on screen. This option gives you the choice to move the taskbar to the desired location such as top, left, right or bottom of the screen. Did you know? If you are not able to move the taskbar, then it might be locked. To unlock the taskbar, right-click on the blank space on the taskbar and uncheck the Lock the Taskbar option. Icons. The small pictures present on the desktop are known as icons. They represent a file, a folder or a program. To open an icon, double-click on it. The icons, which are generally present on the desktop of all computers, are This PC. The This PC icon represents all the files, folders and drives of the computer. Recycle bin. The recycle bin contains all the deleted files and folders. We can recover the deleted files from it anytime. However, the files which are deleted from the recycle bin cannot be recovered. Network. The network icon displays all the computers and other devices attached to your computer. Customizing the desktop. Customizing the desktop means changing the desktop background and screensaver, applying a theme, etc. Changing the desktop background. Windows 10 lets us choose multiple background images for the desktop screen. These background images are known as the desktop background or wallpaper. To change the wallpaper, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and click on the Personalize option from the shortcut menu that appears. The settings window appears. Step 2. Click the drop-down arrow of the background list box and select any option, picture, solid color or slideshow, from the list that appears. Let's select the picture option. Step 3. Select any picture from the Choose Your Picture section. Step 4. Click the Close button to close the settings window. The selected picture is selected as the new desktop background. Changing the screensaver. A screensaver, or screensaver, is a computer program that blanks the screen or fills it with moving images or patterns when the computer is left undisturbed for some time. To change the screensaver, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the settings window and select the lock screen option from the left pane of the window. Step 2. Scroll down the vertical scroll bar and select the screensaver settings option at the bottom. The screensaver settings dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the screensaver of your choice from the screensaver list box. Step 4. Set the time at which we want the screensaver to appear in the wait box. Step 5. We can preview the effect of the screensaver by clicking on the preview button. Step 6. Once we are done, click on Apply and then click OK. Customizing the Windows setup. Changing the system volume. To change the volume of the system, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the speaker icon in the notification area. Step 2. Drag the slider right or left to increase or decrease the volume, respectively. Use of shortcut menu. Whenever we right-click on an icon, a pop-up menu appears displaying a set of commands. This menu is called the context menu or shortcut menu. This menu saves our time and gives us easy access to various commands. For example, a shortcut menu appears when we right-click on the desktop. We can use this menu to sort icons on the desktop, refresh the computer, create new folder, personalize the desktop, and so on.